Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Google Chrome internal server error 500. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Google Chrome. Tap on your Chrome. That's the problem. Okay, let's fix it. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your phone setting. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. Find here apps. Tap on. And search here Chrome. Scroll down little bit. Tap on storage. You can see here two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear data. Tap on select clear all data. Now go back. Tap on permission. Tap on allow all permission here. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Play Store application. Search here Chrome. Update your Chrome. Now your Chrome is already updated or latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now you can go here your power icon. Now restart your phone. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.